The Yard is a place for everybody, of all fitness goals, whether it's weight loss, lifestyle, just the Yard is the place for you. The Trak fan is a great fan, and one thing I really like about it is the size of it. It's a pretty big gym, and we only need 8 of them, but trust me, only 8 in a huge gym like this makes a significant impact. Prior to the Hunter fans coming, our utility bills were much higher. So we had a significant decrease in utility bills, plus the airflow in the room has greatly improved. No matter where you are in the gym, you feel the same airflow. Whenever it got Memphis hot and humid, it got really hot in here, really uncomfortable. They're no longer complaining that it's too hot in here, and there's no issues with that. They say it feels great in here, so it complements the energy of the overall gym.